This is major problems. Major problems. So before paint this garage door, I wanna repair this wood cracks. Old garage door, I think. Water went in, and I think this plywood gluish basically separate, all cracked down basically. Before painting, I'll repair these old cracks, like separating this wood with resin. Bondo, I'm gonna use Bondo fiberglass resin, alright, with hardener. That is hardener. So basically, instruction said 1 ounce resin and 8 drops hardener. Let's see. And dry time is looks like 2 hours. You can use a pin to the make hole for the hardener. Alright. Just be careful. So this resin was sitting more than 1 year, so I gotta make sure mix up inside the chemical very well. Just apply little by little. This is a 10 ounce resin. Based on instruction, 1 ounce, like 10 drop. So working time is 8 to 15 minutes. So let me try 10 ounce. Approximately. Do not over put the hardener, because I need more working time. Today is hot weather, almost 90 degrees. So basically thoroughly you gotta mix well. Oh, so already gel it was so hot. Maybe, I don't know, 5 minutes, 8 minutes. Yeah, sure. And this is the acetone, right? You wash it, the acetone. So let me put the resin over here. So now I apply resin and make them dry up. Alright, let's see. Pretty solid now. Need more dry up. Put the reinforcement with resin. Alright, all the gaps, because now separating. And yeah, I'm gonna later I'm gonna put wood filler. Not much gap over here. Some place not much gap. Some place has a lot of gaps. So this plywood is basically moving. Alright, look at this, like a lot of gaps over here. This place, I need to glue it inside with the resin. Now let's take it off. So basically I put a lot of resin inside, so now stick it up. Stick it up. Not very hard. Still inside. That's good. So I'm gonna put the putty, more wood putty later. Let's see. Now I need just sanding well and the primer and paint. That's it.